March 3, a new student came to school. His name is Thomas. He was from Colorado. He was an ordinary child from poor family, but his future was his mind. School day starts. Class, today we have a new student in the class. His name is Thomas. Everyone welcome him.
Hello, guys.
Thomas, you sit next to George.
Oh, sorry.
Welcome, Thomas. Where are you from?
I'm from Colorado.
Oh, that's so cool.
Class, I'm coming now. Sit quiet.
Let's go, Kate. Meet your new guy.
Hey, go.
Josh, go check out at school. You want to with Thomas?
Thomas, are you always decent?
A-Team, is he smart too?
Go, Thomas. Go to Brick.
Well, stop. Does Thomas already have a friends?
You squares it, yes.
George, you're so friendly, but you even make friends with losers. Everyone, look at the Thomas shoes.
Go, Thomas.
Class, the history lesson begins. Come on, get ready for the lesson. First, I will ask a question. You'll have to answer orally. First question, when was Napoleon born? Thomas.
Napoleon was born 1769.
Right. Next question, who is William Shakespeare?
William Shakespeare, English writer and poet.
Great, Thomas. Last question, where's the Eiffel Tower? Thomas.
The Eiffel Tower is located in France, in the city of Paris.
Thomas, you are doing well.
No one knows the answer except Thomas. I give everyone a low score. Thomas has a high score.
Are you such a smart guy? Better shut up and sit quiet.
Jake, what did you say? How can you say that during class? If you don't know the answers, then sit quiet. If you're that smart and cool for this, go to Blackboard immediately. When did World War I start? Don't know the answer? Seriously? That's such an easy question. Better fix your behavior first or you'll be kicked out of school. If this happens again, I'll punish you. Or should I call your parents?
Oh no, I'm sorry.
Can I help you?
Leave me alone.
You know, you're actually pretty smart. You're just missing your mind. It can be
Really?
fixed. Of course it is. I will help you with your lessons.
Thank you, bro.
You made the right choice, bro.
Little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Sniffing at a bullet book, little lady. I told you, daddy's here to hold you through the night.
Class, here comes the end of the year. You will be taking an important exam today. I wish you all good luck. I hope you write well. Guys, I'm shocked. You all write the exam so well. I'm very happy for you.
Baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Sniffing at a bullet book, little lady. I told you, daddy's here to hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. Little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Sniffing at a bullet book, little lady. I told you, daddy's here to hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't